Hey guys, my wife was complaining about losing windshield washer antifreeze. So I watched a few videos on where it could most likely be coming from, and I saw a couple where the pump actually failed and cracked. So I pulled it apart last weekend, put more antifreeze in it, and couldn't see any leak till I wiggled it, and then it seemed to be coming weeping out of the bottom a bit. So I went to my friendly BMW parts girl, Tara May, and asked her for a pump. Figured I'd just put one in. She said, "Are you sure?" She says, "The part they change more often is the grommet. Right here. Now mine's missing a screen. It fell off in the tank, but anyways, I bought a new grommet, and I'm gonna lube it up. So it appears like this will go in the hole first, and then the pump will just go into it. This one seems a lot tighter fit going on. I'll put some lube on it first, but it seems a lot tighter fit going on than the one I took off. But I don't know, it's just an option for you guys to look at rather than being like me and almost, I'm glad I didn't just buy one off Amazon, which I was going to do, but I decided to go to BMW for this for a change, and Tara May recommended doing this grommet first. I don't know, it was about 17 bucks Canadian or something. But yeah, take a look there, guys. Thanks for watching.